So I bought a really big cutting mat. So today I'm fitting it to my workbench and we're going to talk about whether or not I like it. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So it's high time that my little workbench gets an upgrade. So I bought a cutting mat that will cover the entire surface of my bench. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be actually cutting my new cutting mat to fit. So with my Hobby Zone organizers removed, time to clean up the table and lay out the new cutting mat and get it sized to fit. I'm using a jigsaw with a fine-tooth blade to cut this cutting mat to fit my table. From what I can see, I really like this cutting mat. My biggest complaint about it is the fact that it has a horrible smell. The jigsaw made more of a mess than I thought it would. I probably should have used a dust vac while I did this, but I'll take a quick minute to vacuum and then I'm going to lay on the pieces of my workbench organizer so that I can mark out the outside edge that I need to cut. I'm doing this because my workbench organizer from Hobby Zone has magnets on the bottom which help it stick to the steel table. The cutting mat raises it up enough that those magnets don't want to stick. The mat's cut to size now, and I noticed that it has a slight bit of a bow and curve to it. This, I'm sure, came from the fact that it was rolled on shipment. I may take some spray adhesive and actually spray adhesive the back side of this so that I can stick it down to my steel workbench. With everything fitting the way I want, I can go ahead and move the other sections of my organization system back in. And there we go guys, a full-size cutting mat for my entire workbench. This will officially be the cleanest it will ever be.
Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.